Have I seen it? In 15 years, I've seen architects' careers made and broken over window specifications at least 127 times. Here are the 5 non-negotiable rules that separate the pros from the amateurs. Rule number 1, never specify hardware that you personally haven't operated. Here's why. Just because it looks nice doesn't mean it operates nice. In this showroom, I have 2 different doors that have identical looking hardware that do not perform the same way. Rule number 2, profile depth must match the home's price point. A $5 million home with builder grade profiles screams cheap and amateur. An architect I know designed a stunning $12 million home in the Hamptons. Everything perfect except the windows. Standard 2-inch profiles on a custom luxury home. Mitered corners. The visual aspect was devastating. Beautiful proportions ruined by thin builder grade appearances. The client's wife took one look and said, "This looks like a tract home." The architect lost the client. 3 referrals that week alone. Remember, profile depth must match the home value. Rule number 3, structural requirements trump aesthetics. Always verify structural capabilities before promising large spans. Beautiful designs mean nothing if they can't be built. For example, bifold door is top hung versus a slider door, which is bottom rolled. That means weight on the top versus weight on the bottom. Different structural requirements, different needs for framing, different installation techniques. You must know the difference. Rule number 4, your specification must include installation standards, not just product specs. The best windows fail with bad installations. For example, we had a job in upstate New York. A door literally blew out of the opening, fell onto a generator. There was glass everywhere. It was a mess. Needless to say, both the builder and the architect got in a ton of hot water. Who's paying for the new product? Who's responsible? What was the problem? Rule number 5, know the difference between warranty terms that protect you, not just the owner. Understand warranty terms that protect your professional liability. Some warranties leave you exposed. Remember, in today's construction, architects are expected to take on more liability than ever before. Guys, follow these 5 things and your window specification will never embarrass you. Download the complete specification checklist and protect your reputation on every project.